Hello there! Are you ready to say the days of the week? I bet you are. Oh, let's go. The days of the week are Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Oh, yes. Now we're going to sing a song. Are you ready to sing the song? Thumbs up. There are 7 days. There are 7 days. There are 7 days in a week. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. There are 7 days. There are 7 days. There are 7 days in a week. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. We're gonna clap to it now. Are you ready? Are you ready? Let's go. Bam, bam. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. So we say 7 days make 1 week. Let us count to see if we get 7 days. 1, count with me. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So we are correct. 7 days make 1 week. And we got 7. So let us go. Bubble we a bubble with 7. Bubble we a bubble with 7. Bubble we a bubble with 7. 5 and 2 make 7. Yes, man. So we are going to clap 7 times. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, Oh, you wanted to do one more? No. Let's bubble. Bubble we a bubble with 7. Bubble we a bubble with 7. Bubble we a bubble with 7. 5 and 2 more make 7. So we are finished with the days of the week and we're going to move on. Let's go.